everyone, welcome to Cooking with Chef Rich. So Thanksgiving is upon us, and today we're going to be making some cranberry relish. Last year I did a video where I showed you how to make a very quick and easy cranberry relish that's very, very easy. And my friend Eliza gave me a lot of grief for that. Why? Because I didn't use fresh cranberries. So today we're going to be making two types of cranberry relish. The fresh one for Eliza, and the canned one for everybody else that just wants something quick and easy. So let's start off and talk about our ingredients. In the fresh cranberry relish, I have a 12-ounce bag of fresh cranberries that I've rinsed off and I've just picked through. You'll notice like this is bad, just get rid of any ones that are bad. Had to pick through, but obviously I didn't do a very good job. I have a tablespoon of orange zest, half a cup of water. I have a teaspoon of cinnamon and just a pinch of salt. I have a tablespoon of triple sec, or you could also use Grand Marnier. This is an orange liqueur. I have half a cup of orange juice, half a cup of sugar, and that's it. And for this, very, very simple. We're going to take our water and our orange juice and put it in a saucepan. We're also going to take our sugar and put it in a saucepan. And I'm going to let this dissolve. And as soon as this dissolves, I'm going to add everything but the triple sec. You don't want to add the triple sec till the end because by simmering it, the alcohol will evaporate. So anyway, so that's going. Over here, I have a 12-ounce can of whole berry cranberries. And it's very important to use the whole berries. Reason is that way people think it's homemade. They won't know that it's not homemade. So you can cheat. You'll notice there's a whole berry right there. So we have juice of half an orange. And we'll just add that now. I have 1 tablespoon of orange zest and 1 tablespoon of sugar. You have that. And I have 1 tablespoon of triple sec, or Grand Marnier or orange liqueur. Over here, my water is just coming up to a simmer. I'm going to add my cranberries. I'm going to add my orange zest. And I'm going to add my cinnamon and my salt. Because it's just a good mix when cranberry just tries to escape. What we're going to do over here is we're going to bring this up to a simmer and simmer it for probably about 10 minutes or so until they pop open, and that'll be done. Over here, all we have to do is take a whisk, and our cranberry relish is done. That took a long time. I'm going to put this in a bowl. I'll show you what it looks like. And I'm going to cook this out for about 10 minutes, and I'll show you what it looks like. So this has been cooking for right about 8 minutes, and you'll notice that almost all the berries have popped open. So this is done. The last thing that we're going to do is we're going to add a tablespoon of triple sec and just stir that in. And then I'm going to put this in a bowl. I'll show you what it looks like. Both of our cranberry relishes are in a bowl. With the one from the can, I screwed up a little bit. The recipe calls for 1 tablespoon of orange juice, and I put in juice of half an orange, which I'm sure is more than 1 tablespoon. So if you look at this one, it's a little bit loose. If you notice the consistency, it's just a little loose. If you go with the 1 tablespoon, it should be perfect. Anyway, I'm going to try them both. That one's really, really, really good. This one's also really, really good. They're very, very similar, same ingredients for the most part. This one is a little bit sweeter, even though it only has a tablespoon of sugar. Because it's from a can, the canned version has, I guess, corn syrup in there, so it's already sweet to start out with. And even though I only added a tablespoon of sugar, it's still actually sweeter than this. This one has a little bit of the cranberries are a little bit bitter, and so you get some of that bitterness with this one. Both taste really, really good. This one's really easy to make. It takes like literally 5 minutes to make. This one takes 15 minutes to make. but either way. So whatever your pleasure is, try them both. They're both great. Really whatever you like. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. If you've enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. Please tell me what type of cranberry relish you like to make. I'd love to hear from you. And please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Have a very happy and healthy Thanksgiving, and I will see you all in the next video. Take care.